how to log out of Bybit app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to log out or sign out of your Bybit app. So in order to do that procedure, you have to go and open up or log into your account. First of all, when logged in, that's going to take you to this page. So first thing, you can go to open up your settings application, and here you have all of these information. You can go to the account info section, and or you could go to profile. This is how it's gonna look like, but then you cannot find an option as logout. Similarly, if you go to your profile from the top left hand side and then scroll down right to the bottom, you cannot find this option as logout. So basically there is no such direct way of logging out of your Bybit account or an app. What you can do is, the alternative method is that you just exit out of your Bybit application, then locate the Bybit app and long press on it. Go to the app info page, and right on this page you need to go to storage and make sure to click on clear storage as well as data, and you'll have successfully logged out of your Bybit app. So that is an alternative way to log out of your Bybit app or any other that you're unable to find a logout button. So that is how you could log out, and that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.